When I start drawing a character, I begin with the face, the hair, and especially the eyes. That's when the character starts to feel real. This is the moment I feel connected. Then I move to the rest of the details. The clothes, the balloon, while I paint, I take my time choosing the colors, trying to find what feels right for the scene. At the end, I add buttons. I really love buttons. For me, they give the drawing a little bit of dimension. I like adding a lot of dots and patterns. It gives the drawing more movement and makes it feel more alive. And when everything comes together, it feels like the little clown comes alive. Thanks for watching.